Okay, hello everyone, good morning. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So in the last lecture, we had discussed this concept, okay, the S diagram theory, and before that, we defined the comparable element, uh, cover element, okay, and based on that, we can create a S diagram. Clear? So cover element, to find the cover element of each entry of the poset, that is important here, okay. Without that, it is not possible to draw the S diagram, okay. The cover element is important here, clear, and we check which is the cover element of the given value, okay. So we'll derive it for each of the data, each of the value of the poset element, and then after we can create it as diagram. Okay, and that is definition of cover element. It AR be the poset, and for any two element AB belongs to A, where A not equal to B. Okay, where B is called cover of A. B is called cover of A. If it is satisfy the two condition, then we can say that B is the cover element of the A. First condition is that A is related to the B as per the relation. Okay, and second condition is that there is no such third element is exist. Okay, between A and B, where we can measure ARC relation and CRB relation. Okay, ऐसा कोई तीसरा element exist नहीं करना चाहिए which are the related with the both A and B. Clear? Then it is called cover element of the given value. Okay, so in the last lecture we had repeat this topic also. Clear? How to derive the cover element of each entry, and I think S diagram theory was remaining to repeat it. Okay, so let's repeat it again. Okay, cover element of 1, that will be 2 and 3. Clear? And after cover element of 2 will be 6. Cover element of 3 will be 6 and 9. Clear? 2 divide 3 divide 6 and 3 divide 9. Clear? And after cover element of 6 will be 18, and then after 9 is also as 18. And for 18, there is no any such cover element. Clear? So that is the theory, and that is second example we had discussed in the last one. And now the topic of S diagram. That is also we discussed in the last lecture. What is the S diagram? Okay, how we can create the S diagram for any of the given data. So S diagram is a geometrical representation of the poset element. These are the poset element. Okay, S18. These are the poset element. Why it is poset element? Because it satisfies the partially ordered set condition, reflexive condition, antisymmetric condition, and the transitive condition. Clear? All these three conditions is satisfied. Therefore, we can say that S18, D is the poset, and the element of S18 are called poset element. And first, each element of the poset is represented by a dot. Clear? And joined by the lines according to following rules. The first rule is that if B is a cover element of A, then dot corresponding to A appears below to the dot corresponding of the B. Clear? What does it mean? Okay, you have to create the S diagram. So first we'll place the vertex. Clear? It is one of the graph. So first we'll place the vertex position, and then after, as per the rule, we connect it. Clear? So how we can assign the vertex position? Clear? So here start with the first entry, that is 1, and its cover element are 2 and 3. So position of the 2 means dot corresponding to the 2 appears, means it is reverse thing is given here. If B is a cover element of A, then dot corresponding to A appears below to the dot corresponding of the B. Okay. So 2 is the cover element of 1. Okay. 2 is a cover element of 1. Clear? So dot corresponding to 1 appears below to the dot corresponding to the 2. Okay, means place of the 2 should be the above comparison to the place of 1. Clear why it is? Because 2 is the cover element of 1. So place of the 2 should be the above comparison to the place of 1. Clear? That should be an upward orientation graph. Clear? It should be upward orientation. Clear? Then after 3 is also cover element of 1. So dot corresponding to 3 means a dot corresponding to 1 is below comparison to the dot corresponding to the 3. Okay. So here it is place of 3. That should be the below. Okay. Place of the 1 should be the below comparison to the place of 3. And now 2 is a cover element of 1. So we'll now use the second condition. Connect it. Okay. By the line segment. Connect the 2 and 1. And then after 3 is also cover element of 1. So connect 3 and 1. Now second stage. 6 is a cover element of 2. Okay, 6 is a cover element of 2. So first assign the place of 6 and that should be the above comparison to the place of 2. Because 6 is a cover element of 2 now. So place of 6 should be the above comparison to the place of 2. Okay, so let's assign the place of 6 here. That you can put anywhere. Okay, that is not fixed that you have to put vertical direction. Clear? You can put 6 is here, you can put 6 is here. But that should be the above comparison to the place of 2. We cannot put 6 below the position of the 2 there. Clear? So I consider the place of 6 here. Okay, and then after connect it by the line segment because 6 is a cover element of 2, and then after next is a 6 and 9 both are the cover element of 3. Clear? And this is the position of 3 here, place of 3, and so place of 6 should be the above, that is clearly above here. And now assign the place of 9 and that should be the above comparison to the place of 3. Clear? And then after connect it as per the rule, if 6 is a cover element of 3, connect it by line segment, and 9 is also cover element of 3, so connect it by line segment. Okay, that is up to this stage. And then after 18 is a cover element of 6 and it is also for 9. Clear? So assign the place of 18. Clear? That is the place of 18 here, and that should be the above comparison to the place of 6 and 9. Okay, 18 is a cover element of 6, so place of the 6 should be the below comparison to the place of 18. Clear? So assign the place of 18 above to the comparison to the place of 6 and 9, and then after connect it as per the rule by the line segment. Clear? So this is called as diagram of the given data. Okay, and second example is given that for P of a subset. So first we'll check the cover element of the P of a. Okay, cover element of each entry of the P of a as per the subset relation. Okay, in the first example the divide relation is there. So as per the divide relation, we have identified cover entry. Now it is subset relation is given that. So as per the subset rule, identified cover element. Clear? That we already checked that, but let's repeat it. A P of a subset, okay? P of A is equal to 1, 2, 3 is given there. So what will be the P of a power set of A? It will be 5, and after singleton 1, then after 2, 3, okay? Then after 1, 2, 2, 3, and 1, 3, and A itself. Okay, this is called P of A for the 1, 2, 3. All the possible subset will include that. And now there are 8 entry in the P of A, and we'll check cover element of the each 8 entry. Okay, सभी का cover element आपको identify करना है as per the rule. Clear? So what is the rule? If B is called cover element of A, okay, AB belongs to P of A. That is our choice. Clear? AB belongs to P of A. Now B is called cover of 1, means a cover element of A. B is a cover of A. If first condition is that A or B should be satisfied. Okay, means what is the relation here? A subset B should be satisfied. And second is that there is no such C exist. Okay, C belongs to means P of A. Okay, there is no such C belongs to P of A exists such that A subset C, okay, and C subset B. ऐसा कोई third entry exist नहीं करनी चाहिए as a C from the P of A where we can measure as a subset C and C subset B. Clear? So let's start with the first entry, that is a 5. Okay, which element are the cover element of the 5? Clear? So 5 is not a cover element of 5. Okay, as per the condition, we consider A not equal to B data. Clear? A not equal to N, A not equal to B data you have to observe. So 5 we can measure with remaining 7 entry. Okay, singleton 1, singleton 2, 3, then after 1, 2, 2, 1, clear? 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3 and so on. उसके साथ आप उसको चेक कर सकते हो, ठीक है? So 5 and 1, 5 and 1, clear? 5 is a subset of singleton 1, clear? And singleton 1 is a cover element of 5. If 5 is a subset 1, the first condition is a true. Okay, 5 is subset 1. Now in between 5 and 1, okay, in between 5 and 1 in the set, there is no any third element is exist. ऐसा कोई तीसरा एलिमेंट दोनों के बीच में नहीं है जिसको आप C ले सकते हो, ठीक है? We can consider as a C. So what does it mean? Clearly it satisfy the both the condition. Okay, 5 is a subset 1 means A subset B, and there is no such C exists between in between A to B where A subset C and C subset B. ठीक है? So 5 singleton 1 is a cover element of 5. Okay, now next entry, that is singleton 2. So 5 is subset 2. Okay, 5 is a subset 2. First condition is valid here. Okay, yes, 5 का subset है. Now second condition, there is no any third element is exists which satisfy the A subset C and C subset B. In between 5 and 2, 5 और 2 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर है? That is singleton 1. Okay, singleton 1 is that in between 5 and 2. So can we consider singleton 1 as a counter example of C? If both the condition is satisfied, then we can consider. If any one condition is not true, then it is not valid. Okay, both which two condition? A subset C and C subset B. These two condition you have to verify. Okay, A means 5 and B means singleton 2 and this is the C. Clear? So 5 is a subset 1. ये सही है, ठीक है, that is correct. But 1 subset 2 that is incorrect. Okay, 1 2 का subset नहीं है, means C subset B, that is incorrect now. Clear? So 1 is not a counter example of C. What does it mean? There is no any third element is exist between 5 and 2 which we can consider as a counter example of C. ऐसा कोई भी तीसरा एलिमेंट एग्जिस्ट नहीं कर रहा है जिसको आप C कंसीडर कर सकते हो. ठीक है? So what does it mean? Both the condition is a true for 2 is the cover element of 5. So that is second answer. Now for third answer, 3. Clear? Next entry is a 3. So 5 is a subset 3. First condition is a true. And in between 5 and 3, two element are exist. Singleton 1 and singleton 2. Okay? दोनों entry exist कर रही है 5 और 3 के बीच में. So that both the entry we cannot consider as a C. Why? Because 5 condition 1 and 5 condition 2 that is correct. But 1 with 3 and 2 with 3 with the subset relation that is incorrect. Okay, 2 subset 3 that is incorrect and 1 subset 3 is also incorrect. Okay, so means second part is not valid, it not satisfy here for both the entry, means there is no any third element is exist between 5 and singleton 3 which we can consider as a counter example of C. Okay, so what does it mean? 3 is the also cover element of 5. Clear? After 3 there are also 4 entry we have. So after 3 which data is that? 1 and 2. Okay, which pair is given? 1 and 2. And let's check it is cover element or not. So 5 is a subset 1 2, that is true. Okay, first condition is correct here. Now for second condition. So for second condition, in between 5 and 1 2, there are 3 number is exist. Singleton 1, singleton 2 and singleton 3. Okay, and we can easily consider singleton 1 as a counter example of C. Why? Because 5 is a subset 1, that is also true, and 1 is a subset 1 2, that is also. मींस यहाँ पे ऐसा कोई थर्ड एलिमेंट एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है, ठीक है, जिसको आप C कंसीडर कर सकते हो, एंड एज पर द रूल दैट शुड नॉट एग्जिस्ट. ठीक है, वो एग्जिस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए, बट यहाँ पे एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है, देयरफॉर 1 2 is not a cover element of 5. Similarly, you can prove for 2 3. 2 3 is not cover element of 5 because 2 is a subset 2 3 also. And similarly for 1 3, 1 3 is not a cover element of 5. Clear? And A itself is not a cover element of 5. Clear? These are the not cover elements. So only 3 entry you have, singleton 1 2 and 3, which will be the cover element of 5. Okay, rest of the entry will not satisfy the condition. Okay, now next element, that is singleton 1. Okay, so how many choice we have? After 1, that is singleton 2, singleton 3, 1 2, 1 3, 2 3 and 8. These are the choice which will be the cover element of 1. But let's check which are the possible answer. So singleton 1, okay. So we cannot make a pair with 2 because 1 is subset 2 is incorrect. Okay, 1 2 का subset नहीं है, so 2 is not possible answer. Similarly 3 is also not possible answer. 1 subset 3, that is not a true. So first condition is not true here. So 2 and 3 are not possible answer. Okay, so after 2 and 3, which pair is that? 1 and 2. Okay, 1 is subset 1 2, that is a correct. 1 is subset 1 2, that is correct. First condition is true. Now for second condition, in between 1 and 1 2, there are 2 element are there, singleton 2 and singleton 3. Okay, दोनों number exist कर रहा है in between 1 and 1 2. So let's check, can we consider any value as a C or not? Okay, so 1 subset 2, that is incorrect, and 1 subset 3, that is also incorrect. Means A subset C become incorrect here. So any 2 means both the value, it is not a part of C. Okay, it is not a counter example of C. Clear? Singleton 2, why it is not valid? Because 1 subset 2, that should be the true, but it is incorrect. Okay, and 1 subset 3, that is also should be true to verify. That is also incorrect here. So in between 1 and 1, 2, there is no any third element is exists which we can consider as a C. So clearly 1, 2 is a cover element of 1. Okay, and after that, or 2, 3. Okay, if you place here 2, 3, so 2, 3 it is not possible answer because 1 subset 2, 3 is not correct. Okay, 1, 2, 3 का subset नहीं है. ठीक है? So after 2, 3, that is 1, 3 is that, and 1 subset 1, 3, that is correct. First condition is a true. And in between 1 and 1, 3, in between 1 and 1, 3, there are 4 pair is given. Okay, which 4 pair? As you already checked that 2 and 3. Okay, let's repeat it here. 2, then after 3, then after 1, 2, and then after 2, 3. Clear? These are the 4 pair as a choice of the C. But let's check which is the possible answer of the C. So first start with the 2. So 2 is not possible answer of the C. Okay, 1 subset 2 is incorrect. And after 3, 1 subset 3 is also incorrect. And after 1, 2. So 1 subset 1, 2. It is a true, but 1, 2 can't subset 1, 3. Okay, 1, 2 जो है 1, 3 का subset नहीं है. So therefore 1, 2 is not possible answer. And then after 2, 3, so 1 subset 2, 3 is not true. So among these 4 value, among these 4 set, we cannot take any example as a C. Okay, any counter example as a C. So what does it mean? The 1, 3 is also the cover element of 1. Okay, and after 1, 3, there is a A itself. Okay, A खुद आएगा, ठीक है? A is 1 subset A, that is correct. But in between 1 and singleton A, we have 1, 2 is that. Okay, 1, 2 is given in between 1 and capital A. Clear? And clearly 1 is subset 1, 2, and 1, 2 is subset A. Because A means all the 3 value, 1, 2, and 3. So clearly 1, 2 is subset A, means there exists such C as a 1, 2, which satisfy A subset C and C subset D. So what does it mean? So A is not a cover element of singleton 1. Okay, only 2 pair will be there, 1, 2 and 1, 3. Is it clear? Is there any confusion why it is only 2 pair? For singleton 1, then after for 2 and 3 it will be same. Okay, so for singleton 2, okay, which possible answer you have? After 2, which pair is that? Singleton 3, then after 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3 and A. Okay, same conclusion will apply here, same argument will apply here. First pair is a singleton 3, so it is not answer. If 2 is subset 3 is not a true. Then after 1, 3, okay, 1, 2. So 2 subset 1, 2, that is correct. Okay, so 1, 2 will be the cover element of 2. And then after 2, 3, okay, so 2, 3 is also cover element of 2. Clear? And then after 1, 3, so 1, 3 will be not a part of 2 there. Clear? So it is not cover element. And A itself, similar, same argument, okay, जो हमने अभी check किया था सबके लिए, same argument we apply here, and we'll prove that only 2 pair will be there as a cover element of 2. Okay, 1, 2 and 2, 3. And for a 3, it will be 1, 3 and 2, 3 only. Okay, for 3, it will be 1, 3 and 2, 3. Clear? So these are the cover element of single element. Clear? Now for pair of the 2 entry, 1 and 2. Clear? Which element will be the cover element of 1, 2? So after 1, 2, there are 3 pair, 2, 3, 1, 3 and A. So 2, 3 is not possible answer क्योंकि 1, 2 का subset नहीं है 2, 3 के साथ, ठीक है? And 1, 3 is also not answer because 1, 2 is not subset 1, 3. And last answer is A, and that is will be our answer. Okay, 1, 2 is a subset A. And in between 1, 2 and A, 2 pair is that. One is a 2, 3, and second is a 1, 3. Clear? One is a 2, 3, and second is a 1, 3. If anyone we can consider as a C, it is not true. Why it is not true? Because 1, 2 subset 2, 3, that is incorrect. 1, 2, 2, 3 का subset नहीं है, और 1, 2, 1, 3 का subset भी नहीं, ठीक है? Therefore we cannot take any example as a C. So answer is only A. Then after same argument for 1 3. Okay. 1 3 cover element will be A, and for 2 3 cover element will be the A. Clear? And for A, there is no any such entries exist after A, so we cannot find cover element of the A. Clear? These are the cover element for P of a subset relation. Okay. If it is subset relation is given that, how we can identify all these answers? Clear? And based on this answer, we can create S diagram. Okay. Without that, we cannot define S diagram. It should be the correct. It should be the true. Okay. So, is there any confusion to anyone in this evaluation? Any doubt how to derive it answers, derive the cover element? Okay. So let's draw the S diagram based on this cover element. Okay. It is already given here, but let's draw it and then we will verify the answer. First, lowest entry, that is a 5. Okay. First entry, that is a 5. And 1, 2, 3 are the cover element of 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3 means singleton 1, singleton 2, and singleton 3 are cover element of the 5. So place of 1, 2, 3 should be the above comparison to the place of 5. Okay. Means dot of 1, 2, 3 should be the above comparison to the dot of 5. Okay. So I assign that this place of 5 here. So now we will assign the place of 1, and after place of 2, and then after place of 3. That should be the above. Okay. That should be an upward orientation diagram. नीचे से ऊपर तक जाना है. ठीक है. So here 1 is a cover element of 5, 2 is a cover element of 5, and 3 is a cover element of 5. Okay. Now second stage. 1, 2, 1, 3 are the cover element of 1. Okay. So assign the place of 1, 2. That is a 1, 3. And let's keep 2, 3 is also here. Okay. So place of 1, 2 and 1, 3 should be the above comparison to the place of singleton 1. Okay. Because these are the cover element of 1. And then after 1, 2 and 2, 3 are cover element of 2. So place of 1, 2 we already assigned. Now assign the place of 2, 3. That should be the above comparison to the place of 2. And for 3 it is 1, 3 and 2, 3. That clearly above comparison to the place of 3. Okay. These are the dot 3. It is a dot of 2. And that is dot of 1. Okay. And it is for 1, 2, 1, 3 and 2, 3. Now connect it by the line segment. It is for 1, 2. Sorry. 1 with 1, 2 and 1, 3. Clear? Then after 2 with 1, 2 and 2, 3. And 3 with 1, 3 and 2, 3. Clear? So that is second stage. And for third stage, 1, 2, 3. The cover element konsa, that is A only. Okay. So assign the place of A. And then after connect it with the 1, 2, 1, 3 and 2. So this type of diagram you will get. Okay. And this already drawn here. Okay, that is the S diagram for the P of a subset. Okay. Now third one, S73, D is given that. Clear? There are some more value are given that. So you have to derive the cover element of each entry clearly. And then after we'll check the answer. So S72, D. We already check S18, D in the first exam. Okay. Now set is changed. S72 are given. So first you have to derive the divisor of 72. Because without that it is not possible to manage cover element. Okay. So S72 means that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36 and 72. Okay, these are the divisor of 72. इस सभी नंबर से आप 72 को डिवाइड कर सकते हो. ठीक है. So cover element of first means 1. So what will be the answer? Divide का relation है. ठीक है. Means A divide B. That is the first condition. And second is that no such C should be exist. Okay. C belongs to in between A and B. Clear? C belongs to AB. So that A divide C and C divide B. Okay, this is second condition. ऐसा कोई third element exist नहीं करना चाहिए जिससे A divide C और C divide D satisfy हो. ठीक है. So first is a 2. Okay, possible answer is a 2. 1 divide 2, and 1 और 2 के बीच में कोई भी third entry नहीं है, which we can consider as a C. So 2 is the answer. After 2 it is a 3. 3 is also answer. There is no any relation of 2 with 3. Okay, 2 divide 3, that is incorrect. So we cannot take 2 as a counter example of C. After 2, that is a 4. Okay, let's put 4 here. So that is not possible answer as a cover element. Why it is not possible answer? 1 divide 4 correct है, ठीक है? But in between 1 and 4, which entry is that? 2. And 2 is satisfied with both the 1. 1 divide 2 and 2 divide 4. So therefore 4 is not answer. Okay. After 4, 6 is there. So 6 is also not answer. क्योंकि 3 के साथ उसको कनेक्ट कर सकते हो आप, ठीक है? 1 divide 3 and 3 divide 6. Clear? 8 is also not answer because we can connect with the 2 that 1 divide 2, 2 divide 8. Clear? After 9, so 9 is also not answer, which is divisible by 2 as well as 3 both. Okay, 12 is also divisible by 2, 18 is also divisible by 2 and 3 both, 24 is divisible by 3, 36 is also, and 72 also. Clear? So only two value are the cover element of 1, that is 2 and 3. Okay, now for a 2, so after 2, 3 is there. Okay, so 2 divide 3, that is incorrect, so 3 is not answer. Okay, after 3, which number is that? Of 4. So 2 divide 4, and in between 2 and 4, 3 is exists, and 3 is not related with the 4. Okay, 3 divide 4 is incorrect. 2 divide 3 is also incorrect. So 4 is the answer, and after 4, 6 is that. Okay, in 2 and 6. So 2 divide 6, that is a true. First condition is valid. And in between 2 and 6, which number are there? 3 and 4 both. Okay, so let's check for the 3. Can we consider as a C? 2 divide 3 incorrect, so we cannot take as a C. Okay, and let's check for the 4 also. So 2 divide 4 correct है, but 4 divide 6 is incorrect. ठीक है, 6 को आप 4 से divide नहीं कर सकते. Therefore we cannot take as a counter example of C. Clear? So 6 is also the answer of cover element of 2. Clear? And then after 8, 2 and 8. Okay, so that you can easily measure with the 4. 2 divide 4, 4 divide 8. Then after 9, so 2 divide 9 is incorrect. Okay, it is not true. 2 and 12. So you can easily measure with 6 and 4 also. Clear? So rest of the number will be not a part of cover element. Only two answer, 4 and 6. Okay, and then after 3 with cover element of the 3. So after 3, 4 is that. So 3 and 4, there is not in related. Clear? 3 divide 4 is incorrect, so it is not answer. After 4, 6 is that. So 3 divide 6, that is incorrect. And in between 3 and 6, 4 is that. And 3 divide 4 is incorrect, so it is not a part of the C. Okay, so 6 is the answer. And after 6, 8 is there. Okay, so 3 divide 8 is incorrect, so it is not answer. Okay, and then after 9 is there. 3 divide 9, that is correct. Okay, and in between 3 and 9, how many number are there? 4, 6, 8. 3 entry are there. Clear? So if we take a 4 as answer of C, so it is not a true. Because 3 divide 4 correct nahi hai. Okay? 3 divide 4 is not satisfied. And then after if we take a 6, so 3 divide 6 correct here, but 6 divide 9 is incorrect. Okay? 9 को आप 6 से divide नहीं कर सकते. That is not true. So it is not answer of C. And if we take 8 here, 3 divide 8 is incorrect only. Okay, so therefore 9 is also answer of cover element of 3. Clear? And after 9, 12 is that. So that you can easily map by 6. 2 divide 3 divide 6, 6 divide 12. Clear? And then after 18, so 3 divide 6, 6 divide 18. Both are correct. 24, same. Okay, 36 also same, and 72. That you can easily measure with 6 and 9 both. Clear? So only two entry are the cover element of 3. And then after 4. So after 4, which entry are that? 6. So 4 and 6. 4 divide 6 is incorrect. So 6 is not answer. Clear? 6 is not answer of cover element of 4. And after 6, 8 is that. So 4 divide 8. उससे divide होगा 8 से. ठीक है, 8 को 4 से divide कर सकते हो आप. So 4 divide 8, and in between 4 and 8, 6 is that. And that is not possible answer of C. Okay, 4 divide 6 incorrect, 6 divide 8 is also incorrect. Okay, so 8 is clearly answer of cover element. And after 8, 9 is that. So 4 divide 9 is incorrect. So 9 is not answer. Okay. And then after 12 is that. So 4 divide 12, that is correct. And in between 4 and 12, 4 और 12 के बीच में 3 नंबर आपके पास है, 6, 8 and 9. So if you take 6 as a counter example of C, so 4 divide 6 match नहीं हो रहा है, ठीक है, that is not true. Therefore 6 is not counter example of C. And then after 8 is also for 8, 4 divide 8 is correct. 4 divide 8 correct है, but 8 divide 12 incorrect. ठीक है, 12 को आप 8 से divide नहीं कर सकते. Therefore that is not correct. And then after 9 is there, so 4 divide 9 incorrect here, so that is not true. Okay, so 12 is also cover element of 4, 8 and 4 both, 8 and 12 both. Okay, and after 12 18 is there. If I consider 18 here, so 4 divide 18 is incorrect. Okay, 18 is not divisible by 4. If you take 24 here, so 24 is divisible by 4, but in between 4 and 24 we can easily take 8, which is a part of the C, which is counter example of C. Clear? 4 divide 8 and 8 divide 24. And same for 36 and 72 also. Clear? Same argument. So only two answer, 8 and 12, which is a part of the 4. Okay. And then after for a 6. After 6, which entry you have? 8, 9, 12, 24 and so on. So let's compare with the 8. 6 divide 8. That is incorrect. Okay. 6 divide 8 incorrect. That is not a true. So 8 is not answer. After 8, 9 is there. 6 divide 9. That is also not a true. Okay. 9 को आप 6 से divide नहीं कर सकते. And then after 12. Okay. So 6 divide 12 is correct. And in between 6 and 12, 8 and 9 is given. And both value are not a part of the C. Okay. 6 divide 8 is incorrect. 6 divide 9 is incorrect. Okay. So therefore it is not a counter example of C. So 12 is the correct answer of the cover element. And after 12, 18 is that. 6 divide 18. That is correct. And in between 6 and 18, you have 3 entry, 8, 9 and 12. So 6 divide 8. That is incorrect. 6 divide 9 is also incorrect. 6 divide 12 is correct. But 12 divide 18 is incorrect. Okay. 12 divide 18 is incorrect. Therefore, 18 is also the counter example of, means 18 is also the cover element of a 6. Okay. And then after 24 is not possible. Why? Because there is a 12 is given, which you can map with the both the value. Okay. 6 divide 12 and 12 divide 20. And same for 36 and 72 also. Okay. So two element are the cover element of 6. And then after 8. Okay. 6 ke baad hai 8. So 8 with 9, that is not a true. 8 with 12 is also not a true. Okay. 8 with 24, that is correct. Okay. 24 को आप 8 से divide कर सकते हो. 8 divide 24, that is a true. And in between 8 and 24, 9, 12, 18 are there. And which is not a counter example of 9, 12 and 18. Okay. Counter example of C. Because 8 divide 9, 8 divide 12 and 8 divide 18. All are incorrect. Okay. So therefore it is not a part of C, and therefore 24 is the correct answer of cover element of 8. Okay. And after 24, 36 is that. 8 divide 36 is incorrect. And 8 divide 72 is correct. Okay. It is correct, but you can easily map with the 24. Okay. You can easily map with the 24. 8 divide 24 and 24 divide 72. Clear? Therefore 72 is not answer. So that is for 8. Now for 9. 9 with next number is a 12. So 9 और 12 की pair नहीं बन सकती. 9 divide 12 is incorrect. 9 divide 18, that is correct. Okay. And in between 9 and 18, 12 is that, and which is not a part of C. So 18 is the correct answer. And after 18, 24 is that. Okay. So it is also not true. And then after 36 is that. Clear? 36. 9 divide 36. That is correct. But in between 9 and 36, 18 is given. And that is counter example of C. क्योंकि दोनों को divide करेगा वो. 9 divide 18 and 18 divide 36. And same for 72 argument. Okay. So only one answer for 9, that is 18 only. And now next number is a 12. Okay. 12 की pair बनानी है with this 4 number remaining. So 12 with 18, that is not a true. Okay. Because 18 को आप 12 से divide नहीं कर सकते. Next number is a 24. So 12 divide 24, that is correct. And that is cover element clearly. And then after 12 divide 36. Okay, 12 divide 36, that is also true. And in between 12 and 36, you have two numbers, 18 in 24. If we take any one as a C, and let's verify that, can we take as a C or not? So let's check for 18. 12 with 18, that is not correct. And 12 with 24 is correct. 12 divide 24 is correct, but 24 divide 36 is incorrect. Okay, therefore 24 is not a counter example of C. So 36 is also answer, and for 72 we'll get one of the entry, which is a counter example of C. Okay, so 72 is not answer. 24 and 36, and for 18 you have three choice: 24, 36, and 72. So 24 is not related answer. Only one, 36. Clear? 12 divide 36, 18 divide 36, and for a 24 it will be 72, and for 36 it will be 72, and for 72 there is no any such answer. Okay, so these are the cover element for 72, and this is a test diagram. Here let's verify one by one. We assign the place of 1. Okay, because starting at 1 and 2 and 3 are, so place of 2 and 3 should be the above comparison to the place of 1. Okay, and that should be upward orientation diagram here. So here it is a place of 2 and this is a place of 3. Okay, that's are the above, and then after connect it by the line segment. Okay, 2 with 1 and 3 with 1, and then after consider 4, 6, 9. 6 is a common in between 2 and 3 both. Okay, so 4 and 6 are the cover element of 2. 6 and 9 are the cover element of 3. Clear? So assign the place of 4, 6, 9. That should be the above comparison to the place of 2 and 3. Okay. So connect 4 and 2 and 6 and 2, and then after connect 6 and 3 and 9 and 3. Clear? That is up to third. And then after 8 and 12, these are the cover element of 4. So assign the place of 8 and 12. That should be the above comparison to the place of 4. Okay. And then after connect it 8 with 4 and 12 with 4. Okay. And for a 6, answer is a 12 and 18. So we already assigned the place of 12. That's above. Now assign the place of 18. And that should be the above comparison to the place of 6. Now connect 12 with 6 and 18 with 6. And for a 9, there is only one answer, 18. So this is already above. So connect 18 with 9. Okay. We have finished up to this stage. यहाँ तक हमने finish किया. ठीक है? Now still 4 entries remaining. Clear? So 24 and 36. These are the cover element of 12. And 36 also common for 18. Okay. So assign the place of 24 and 36. That should be the above comparison to the place of 12 and 18. Okay. So 12 with 24, 36. Clear? And here it is 8 with 24, 12 with 36, 18 with 36 only. Okay. So up to this we have done. And now for 72. So 72 is the cover element of 24, 36 both. So assign the place of 72 and connect 24 with 72 and 36. This is the S diagram for the S72, D. Okay, it totally depends on the cover element. Clear? If you derive the true answer as a cover element, then rest of the part is very easy. Okay, you just assign the position of the number as per the upward orientation, and then after connect it as per the relation. Is there any confusion? Any question? Similar example given practice. Okay. and 36 and 40 and P of a subset 1 to 6. 4 and 3 given that, so to get some P of 4 3 number you will get as a subset. Okay, 16 and you will get, and first S comma D. Okay. Two. Okay. Three. 9. Now, clear? And then after 12, 18, okay, and 36. Clear? These are the divisor of 6 and of 1. Okay. Now cover answer 4. Don't correct. Math 4, 18, and 36. So 4 and 2. Another of 3. Now in between 3 and 9, 4 and 6 are there. They are not related with the C. Okay. So 3 divide 9 is also true. 3 divide 12. That is not a correct. It's not a cover element because 6 के साथ उसको मैप कर सकते हो. 18 is not answer. 36 is not answer. Okay. These are the cover element of 3. Now for 4. Audible? Is there any confusion? My voice is clear. Is there any problem? Yes, hello. Is there any problem? No. Am I audible? Now it is okay. Yes, now am I audible? Is there any problem? Oh. So we are discussing about the example of S36, D, and here we check the cover element of 1 will be 2, 3. Cover element of 2 will be 4 and 6. Cover element of 3 will be 6 and 9. And the cover element of 4, it will be cover element of 4. Which is answer? 6 is not possible. 4 divided 6 is not correct. 9 is also not possible. After 9, 12 is that. So 4 divide 12. Clear? That is a true. And after 4, 18 is that. So 4 divide 18. That is not a true. and 4 divide 36, that you can easily map by 12 also. Okay, so only 12 is the answer, which is a cover element of 4. Clear? Then after for a 6, which are the cover element? 12. Okay. And what about for 18? 18 is also answer. 4 divide 6 divide 12. 6 9 is not possible. After 9 12 is there. So 6 divide 12 is there. Clear? And after 12 18 is there. So 6 divide 18 is a true. Okay. In between 6 and 18, no any third entries exist, which we can consider as a C. If we take a 9, so 6 divide 9 is not a true. And if we take a 12, so 6 divide 12 true hai, but 12 divide 18 is not a true. Okay. So clearly 18 is the answer. And then after for a 9, it is only 18. Okay. Then after for a 12, it will be 36. 18 will be 36. And for 36, there is no any cover element. Okay. So these are the cover element of S36, D. Clear? So try to draw the S diagram of this one. Clear? It's very easy now. We check the cover entry of each data. Clear? And same you can try it for S64, D, S42, D, and P of a subset where A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this for your practice. Is there any confusion how to check the cover element and how to check the S diagram to anyone? So, if you have any doubt, please ask. And from the next lecture, we'll start the next theory. Lattice is a fossa. Today we'll keep up to this. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Clear? This is data you have, and you can create the S diagram for 1. That is a place of 2 and 3. Clear? 2 is cover element of 1, 3 is a cover element of 1. Okay? That is step 1. 2 with 4, 6, and 9. Clear? So consider 4, 6, and 9. It is a 4, 6, and 9. 2 with 4, 6 with 2. Clear? 4 and 6 are cover element of 2. 6 and 9 are cover element of 3. Clear? So connect now 6 and 9 are the cover element of 3. Okay? And then after 4, 12, 18. Okay? This is a pair. Assign the 12 and 18. So 12 is a cover element of 4, and 12 and 18 are the cover element of 6. Clear? As per the rule. 12 and 18 are cover element of 6. And then after for 9 and 18. So assign the 9 to the, 9 is already assigned. So connect 18 with 9. That is a place of 9. Okay. And then after 72, 36 is also remaining. 36 and 36 is remaining. So assign the 36 now to that place, and 12 with 36 and 18 with 36. That is the S diagram you will get for S36. Okay. Practice these two more example are given S64 and S42, D. Okay. And also try it for P of a subset. Okay. So here we'll keep up to this. If you have any doubt, any query, you can ask. And the next topic will start in the next lecture. Means today there is one more lecture is there. So we'll start the next theory in that lecture. Okay, so all of you write down your roll number in chat box for the attendance. Okay, is anyone remaining to mention your attendance in chat box? Is anyone remaining? Okay, so thank you all. You may left now.